All right, I have pulled back up on the frame and made sure the back was tight, and I re-quilted the feather. First I sprayed to tighten up the fabric, bring the fabric back into its proper place. So I had those holes in there from where I picked out the stitching. I just spritzed it really quick with water and let it sit for a little while, for a few hours. And everything was back to normal. And I finished quilting. Let's look at the back and see what it looks like. See if there's any problemos. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, I want to see this area between the two feathers. Ah, tight as a drum. Beautiful. Absolutely perfect. I'll show you. Here. How can I do this? Okay. We'll just do this area right here so you can see. Before there was a lot of bunching. Keep in mind. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I was really careful. I pulled it as taut as I could. It looks absolutely perfect. No bunching at all. Okay, so problem solved. My error, operator error, not the cutie frame's fault. It's all about concentrating and making sure you check underneath, making sure when you're working with Minky, especially, it's very slick, very loose kind of thing. You have to keep the back tight, but not so tight that it stretches. And that's about hooping. That is a hooping issue. And that is a skill that hoop quilters must have, is how to properly hoop the quilt. And I hope that this has helped you and reassured you that it is not a frame issue. It is an operator error issue. So I had someone saying that she was reconsidering getting a hoop frame. And I would say, what happened to me is not an issue. It's operator error. The considerations that most people look at are space and cost. And for me, the hoop frame wins on all areas, because you can literally quilt any size quilt on a cutie frame. You just re-hoop, you know, and shift. And those are the two skill sets that you're really going to need to get down when you use a hoop frame, and you get the same, or you know, you get the same results as a ratchet system, I think. It's satisfying for me, but it might not be for you. It might be for you. I can quilt in a closet, which I do. I'm the closet quilter. And thanks for stopping by the closet. Hope you have a great quilting day.